so it all that I can't keep my heart straight.